students, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are liking all of the concepts and tricks which I'm giving you in my recent videos. So without wasting the time, let's move to today's topic. So now I will talk about few of the thesis line on the basis of types of essays. But before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of latest video. So let's get started. So the first topic would be agree or disagree. So for agree, we would write I am in strong favor to this given assertion. What is this strong favor? Strong means 100% and favor is agree to this given assertion. What is this assertion? This is the statement which will be illustrated in this essay. See how simple it is. The second one is for disagree. I completely discord. What is this completely? This is 100% discord this given assertion which will be illustrated in the essay. So this is the example of thesis line. If you are in agree, then you will use this thesis line. If you are disagree, then you would use this particular line. One is, to what extent do you agree? It means they are asking for your extent. So if we are 70% agree and 30% disagree, we would write I favor. What is this favor? Agree this given assertion to a major extent, because 70 is what? It is major. To major extent which will be illustrated in this essay. So this is the line when we are in favor, most of the favor, but there are certain points of disagreement, then we would use this thesis line. So what could be the next situation of to what extent? This situation can be 70% disagree and 30% agree. So in this situation, what we would write I favor this given assertion. Favor is again your agree, but we are to a certain extent. So why certain? Because we are 30% agree. So that is why we are writing I favor this given assertion to a certain extent which will be illustrated in this essay. So this is the two type of thesis line which you can use into what extent do you agree. Let's move to third type. The third type is discuss both views and give your opinion. So our thesis line would be this essay will illustrate both of the viewpoints along with my ideology. My ideology is your opinion and this would be your viewpoints. So our fourth type is what are the causes and solution. So our thesis line would be this essay will illustrate the possible causes as well as the effective remedies. So effective remedies are solutions and the possible causes will be the causes of to combat this concern. What is this combat? Combat is to stop. Combat is a better word, so please use this word only to combat this concern. Let's move to fifth one. The fifth one is what problems does it cause and how can we solve this? It means they have asked about problems and solution. So our thesis line would be this essay will illustrate the common impacts. It is the effects or the problem arise from this along with the effective remedies to combat this concern. So in this essay we would discuss the impacts as well as remedies to stop this. Now the sixth one is what are the advantages and disadvantages. So the thesis line would be this essay will illustrate both the merits as well as demerits. Oh, as is missing. As well as demerits of this practice. Even in the place of merits and demerits, you can add pros, which is a synonym of merits, and even cons in the place of demerits. Then our thesis line would be, this essay will illustrate both the pros as well as cons of this practice. Advantages outweigh disadvantage. What is this outweigh? This is more. What is this more meaning? More meaning it is that we have 70% of advantages and 30% of disadvantages. Okay, so in this case, our thesis line would be, this essay will illustrate the pros, which are 70%, which outstrip its cons because it is 30%. In other situation, if you think that you have 30% of disadvantages, 70% of disadvantages and 30% of advantages, then you can interchange both of these words. Then your thesis line would be, this essay will illustrate the cons which outstrip its pros. Okay, direct question, that is it a negative or positive learning, where we have to choose only one. So if we are saying that it is positive, so our thesis line would be, this essay will illustrate the pros. What are pros? Pros are benefits or advantages of this practice as it is totally beneficial. If we think it is positive, or in case we think it is negative, so we would write, this essay will illustrate, in the place of pros what we write? Cons. Opposite. The cons of this practice, as it is totally in the place of beneficial, what we can write? We can write deleterious. Or even if you find it difficult, then you can add not beneficial. It is not beneficial, or deleterious would be better, because we say that it has disadvantages, it has cons. So this was all about the thesis line. If you have any doubt regarding the thesis line or any of the thing, then please write in my comment section so that I can explain you the thesis line in a more better way. But please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of the latest video.